Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential decline of approximately 21% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 30% to a decrease of 12%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of about 54% over the next 12 months, with potential returns falling between a decrease of 65% and a decrease of 37%. This equates to a price range of between $1.39 and $2.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO brings the headline, NIO stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after the Friday trading session. On the last trading day, the NIO stock price increased by 3.13%, climbing from $3.83 to $3.95. During this session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.92%, ranging from a low of $3.83 to a high of $3.98. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, reflecting a decline of 2.47% during this period. Notably, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 29 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $113,004,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $11.35, while the lowest price was $3.61. Currently, the price stands 65.2%, or $7.40, below the 52-week high, and 94.1%, or $63.04, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Incorporated has encountered considerable difficulties throughout 2024, with its stock value decreasing by nearly 59% year-to-date, intensified by a competitive electric vehicle market. Recent developments suggest that, despite achieving record vehicle deliveries and launching a new sub-brand focused on profitability, investor sentiment continues to be cautious. Citi's recent reductions in price targets mirror broader market apprehensions, particularly with the expectation of slowed global gross domestic product growth impacting high-risk sectors like electric vehicles. Additionally, a concerning trend reveals that NIO's stock has lost over 70% of its value in the past year, primarily due to weakening fundamentals and excessive cash burn. This raises significant concerns regarding the company's ability to maintain operations without further capital infusions. This environment has led to a market valuation of just $8 billion, which is considerably lower than anticipated sales figures for 2025. While the surge of interest from investors indicates strong engagement and could stimulate short-term trading, the existing warning signs imply that any potential recovery may be gradual and filled with challenges. Therefore, while NIO's innovative strategies in battery swapping and its expansion in Europe are encouraging, the current volatility of the stock and its historical performance may continue to significantly impact its price in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 5th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. On Saturday, the 8th of June, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned NIO an underweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was also reported that Mizuho Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was further reported that Bernstein assigned NIO a market perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. The price-to-earnings ratio has also been rated as sell, along with the price-to-book ratio, which is rated sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have classified this stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far, it has risen by approximately 7.63%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have been issued as well, which may influence the near-term developments. The NIO stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average is signaling a general sell. Because the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.30. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.82. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 227 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.89, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be of high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 15 cents between its high and low, which is approximately 3.92%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could signal potential bankruptcy risks. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of September, 2024. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 46 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.89. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.72, reflecting a decrease of 5.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. We have updated our analysis for this stock since our last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold-accumulate stance. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate NIO will open lower, down by 3 cents, starting at $3.92. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.